guys, we're going to talk about seasons today. So yesterday we talked about day and night and we talked about years. Today we're going to talk about our seasons. So we have winter, spring, summer, fall, or you want to call it autumn, either way. Now what causes that is our Earth, but our Earth, say this is our Earth, it's tilted. So it's on its axis and it's tilted. So as it spins, it's tilted. We're going to call the line between the orange and the yellow our equator. So this is our equator, and we're somewhere in the pink because we're between the North Pole and the equator. And then we're going to call this blue Antarctica and then the equator. So we have the northern hemisphere, the equator up, and we have the southern hemisphere, equator down. So I'm going to use the words northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, okay? I wanted something to pretend to be the sun, so we're going to pretend like this container right here is the sun. So as we are on Earth and we go around the sun, okay, that causes a year, but the tilt of it is going to cause the seasons. So right here, if this is the sun, this tilt, we're tilted towards the sun. Okay, so we're on the part of the Earth that's tilted towards the sun, the northern hemisphere. So that's summer for the northern hemisphere, okay? What comes after summer? Fall. So it's not tilted towards the sun or away from the sun, so it's fall. Then when we get over here, we're in the northern hemisphere, we're tilted away from the sun. We're tilted this way, and here's our sun. So the southern hemisphere is towards the sun. We are away, so we are winter. Then we go back over here, we're neither away or towards, so it's spring. And then we come back to here and it's summer again. So right now we're in spring, so we are not tilted towards or away from the sun. That's what causes our seasons. All right, in our seasons, we know winter is cold, spring is starting to get warmer and brighter later. Summer is the warmest and the sun is out the longest, and then fall, it's starting to get down a little bit and it's getting colder. So the tilt is what's going to cause the seasons. Now, if you notice, if you look at Earth here, it's tilted, but this band is the widest part of the equator, is the widest part of Earth. That means it sticks out the most, right? So if you're looking, which color stuck out the most? The orange, right? And then part of the yellow, but there was a lot less purple, pink, right? So the equator is the warmest. Every country and place around the equator is going to be the warmest weather because it sticks out the furthest anyway, so it's closer to the sun than the rest of the parts of the globe. So that's why places near the equator are always warm. Now, Florida, we know Florida is southern and south of us, so it's closer to the equator. It's not on the equator, but it's closer, so that's why there's warmer weather in Florida than there is in Chicago. So that is just a little tidbit about how seasons are formed, and notice that the cause of day and night is shorter and longer because if it's tilted away from the sun winter, you're getting less daylight hours when you're away from the sun. When you're towards the sun, you're getting more daylight hours for a longer part of the day. And that's what causes day and night and the seasons. Hopefully this was helpful. You guys can go on juniorbrainpop.com and watch more about the solar system. You could also go to weather and watch about seasons. So hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.